How to add experience on LinkedIn. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to go through a LinkedIn profile and I'm going to show you how to promote yourself by adding an experience and making sure that your visibility is still top notch and that your profile is looking good. So, without further ado, this is what your homepage will look like, or your feed page. And there's two ways to do this. Up on the toolbar right at the top over here, you have this Me tab. You can tap on that and you can tap on view profile. If you don't want to do that, the quick button is on the left hand side over here. You can just tap on your name. As you can see, your profile picture, you can just tap on that and it will now take you into the opportunity where you can actually edit everything about your profile. So once we are in this page, we can scroll all the way down and we can look for a tab that says experiences. Now, as you can see here, there are a few experiences, and the reason we would like to add an experience here is so that we can promote ourselves to being somebody that is active on the profile and also continuously learning and growing. So the plus icon on the right hand side of that experience tab, we can tap, and here you can either add a position, which would be a work position in a company, or you can add a career break, and that basically you can schedule so people can see that you're not currently working. For whatever reason, you may be taking a career break, you want to add that in there and let people know. For now, we're going to tap on add position, and the first thing you are faced with is the opportunity to either notify your network or not. So it says turn on to notify your network of key profile changes such as a new job and a work anniversary. Updates can take up to 2 hours, and we can either put this on or off. So if you want to keep it private, we want to put that off, or if you want your network to know that you've gotten a promotion, you can keep that on. For now, we are going to leave that on. That's no problem at all. Let us also just recognize that the little star indicates the required fields as we go down through this. So the first thing we want to do is we want to enter a title, and this is your job title. So here we can enter in a marketing manager, and as you're typing, you can see that there are a few positions that come up suggested. So we can say marketing specialist rather. And then you have an employment type. Now, your employment type can either be full-time, part-time, self-employed. You can either be a freelancer under contract. You can also be an intern, or you can have an apprenticeship, or it can be seasonal work. So we're going to just go ahead and we're going to say part-time, and we're going to now go down and we can now choose a company. Now, this company is quite important. If this company is the same as your current or previous experience, it is going to come up as a promotion, and that's not what we want. We want this to be a new experience. So we're going to go ahead, we can type in the company that we are working for. So I've just typed in media, so let us go with these media.monks. This literally is only for example purposes, so this will be deleted after this example. You can now actually enter a location as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to enter our current location, or the location that the position is in. We also have a location type. So either you are working on site, which means you go into an office and you are booking in like a 9 to 5 sort of thing. Then you have a remote position, which means you work remotely. You don't actually have to book into an office. And then you have hybrid, which is a mix of two of those options. Now, the next thing is, it says here, I am currently working in this role. We can now say, yes, we are currently working in this role. And then there is a start date, both a month as well as a year. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to choose our current month, and you can now choose the year. And if you want to end the current position that you are in, we can then select this box. If we do not want to end this position, which means that, as we said over here, this is part-time and it's not a full-time position, which means we can hold two positions at the same time, we're going to leave that unchecked. Also, the industry is quite important. So over here you can see it is media production. I'm going to change it to marketing and marketing services. And then you can go ahead now and enter a description. A description may include things such as your responsibilities, your roles, things that you take care of, and you can enter all this in over here. If you want to try and make it as descriptive as possible, this is your opportunity. You now also have the profile headline, which by default it will use your main profile's headline, but if you want to, you can change this to creative marketer, social media marketer, social media specialist, whatever it is that you want to enter in there. Make sure that it is relevant to the position that you are entering in now. One of the other things that you may want to do here is add a skill. Now, when you have a new experience or a new position, it's always good to add some extra skills. This just shows that you are continuously learning, continuously growing, and you want to make sure that people can actually see this. So there are some suggested skills over here based on your title, and then you can just tap on add skills and you can add your own skills manually over there. Once you have done this over here, you can also go down and you can add media. Now let's say you want to add some media with regards to your new position. You can just go ahead and it'll take you to your desktop. You can select the media and that will come up on your post when you make it public. Once you have entered all of these details, you can just run through it again and make sure that everything is correct, and then you can go ahead and tap on save. Over here now it says that your position has been added. You can now see that you have the opportunity to share this position with your network. I'm going to go ahead and just close this window. If you do want to share it, you can just go ahead and click on share, but for now we're going to leave it just like that. And you can see over here it has your job title. It also has the position type as well as the company name, the company logo right over here, and then it also has the duration that you've been working at this company in this position for. And again, I just want to make mention that as you can see these dots over here, this is in fact a position change or a promotion within a company, and the experience that we added now is an experience all on its own. It's got nothing to do with this company. It's got nothing to do with this company. There we go, folks. If you're looking to add an experience onto your LinkedIn profile, this is the only way to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, smash that subs button, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.